to the paper. This time as visual as possible. Guns blast at the hospital. The walls are whitewashed with tin rooftops. To show love, you lick 2 shots is dangerous, man. Journalists hire gunmen, this violent women. Kids trust no one cause fire burned them. Refugees now in boats headed for peace. Is anyone scared of death here? Not in the least. I walk by the old lady selling coconuts under the tree. Life is cheap here, but wisdom is free. The Beach Boys hang on the side, leaning with pride. Scam artists and gangsters, fiending the fight. I walk with 3 kids that can't wait to meet God, baby. That's Bucktooth, Muhammad, and Crybaby. What they do every day just to eat, Lord of mercy. Strapped with an AK and they bloodthirsty.
So what's hardcore? Really? Are you hardcore? So what's hardcore? Really? Are you hardcore?
We begin our day by the weight of the gun. Rock and propel grenades blow your way if you front. We got no police, ambulance, or firefighters. We start riots by burning car tires. They looting and everybody starts shooting. Bullshit politicians talking about solutions, but it's all talk. You can't go half a block without a roadblock. You don't pay at the roadblock, you get your throat shot. And each roadblock is set up by these gangsters, and different gangsters go by different standards. For example, the evening is a no-go unless you want to wear a bullet like a logo. In the day, you should never take the alleyway. The only thing that validates you is the AK. They chew on chat, it's sorta like coca leaves, and ain't no police.
So what's hardcore? Really? Are you hardcore? So what's hardcore? Really? Are you hardcore?
I'ma spit these verses cause I feel annoyed, and I'm not gonna quit till I fill the void. If I rhyme about home and got descriptive, I'd make 50 Cent look like Limp Bizkit. It's true, and don't make me rhyme about you. I'm from where the kids is addicted to glue. Get ready, he got a good grip on the machete. Make rappers say they do it for love like R. Kelly. It's hard, harder than Harlem and Compton intertwined, harder than Harbor and Bin Laden and Rewind. To that earlier part when I was kinda like, we begin our day by the weight of the gun. Rock up propel grenades blow you away if you front. We got no police, ambulance, firefighters. We start riots by burning car tires. They looting and everybody starts shooting.
So what's hardcore? Really? Are you hardcore? So what's hardcore? Really?
Question is,
are you hardcore?